In this video, I'm going to show you how to stop someone from reading your messages on iPhone. So first, what you want to do is you want to go to settings, and from there you want to find messages. Once you click on the messages, you need to make sure that iMessages is turned off. Also, if you don't want to turn it off, make sure these accounts are turned off, because anybody that's under your phone or laptop or whatever under these accounts, they can see the messages. Now, the other thing is what you can do is have the send read recipients, because when this is on, people are notified that you have read their messages, and that could sometimes just prevent somebody from reading your messages. And if you don't want somebody to listen to your audio messages, you can set it to expire after 2 minutes or never. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you enjoyed, leave a like, comment, subscribe.